Hi, I'm Jason with Full Spectrum Power. We're here at the PRI show. I've got the opportunity to talk to you guys about myths around lithium racing batteries. Weight and size. Obviously a lithium battery, if you've ever held one, you know that it is significantly smaller and lighter than a lead acid battery. And this is awesome. So if you've got a performance car, a race car, motorcycle, whatever, there are significant weight savings to be had at a very reasonable price point. And that's great. But that doesn't really tell the story, and that is not the major selling point for us. When we talk about our batteries' performance, yeah, they're definitely light, but more importantly, they're incredibly reliable. Lead acid batteries are not of fantastic quality in today's market. The majority of them are sourced from overseas using less than ideal materials in the manufacturing process. And a lot of companies that were pre-COVID really awesome quality products seem to have just totally degraded into real garbage. So a quality lithium battery, when properly maintained, will far outlive its lead acid comparison. Performance-wise, it's not even in the same ballpark, a lithium versus a lead acid battery. A lithium battery will have significantly greater power output in the two important measures when we're talking about a car. One, cranking amps. You know, a tiny little motorcycle battery that we have here can easily start a big block Chevrolet. I make this point to say that you can have massive cranking power in a very small package, and that makes for an ideal scenario for a race car. The second and probably more important feature of a lithium battery is voltage stiffness under load. And what that means is when you've got a pro nitrous car that has 5 nitrous kits and runs 350 amp continuous during a lap, with our batteries, you'll see almost no voltage drop, a pancake flat voltage trace. With a lead acid battery, every time a nitrous solenoid hits, you're losing half a volt. By the end of your run, you're down at 11.5 volts. This is completely unacceptable to us. For many years, people have simply tolerated this poor performance, but if you've got a quality lithium battery, this is a thing of the past. This matters for a number of reasons. The voltage stability of the battery is going to dictate how all of the components in your fuel system and your ignition system operate. And so the closer you can stay to whatever that baseline is, say 16 volts, the more accurate your tune-up will be across all of your systems, whether it's injector timing or how the nitrous solenoid fires or what the dwell window looks like when it's being resized repeatedly by your standalone. There are so many advantages to this lithium technology that it's not quite reasonable to sit here and discuss all of them. I'll try to cover the remaining advantages in another video.